You didn't find this video by accident. Something above you, or within you, led you here. Maybe it was a glimpse of light, breaking through clouds. Maybe it was that quiet urge to see the world from higher ground. Whatever it was, you followed it. And that means something. Because when we rise above the noise, we begin to see the patterns hidden in plain sight. Cities that pulse like living beings, mountains that breathe in silence, and people, all moving, all searching, never realizing how connected it all already is. That's what these skies remind us. That perspective changes everything. From above, the chaos turns to rhythm. The rush becomes balanced, and what once felt small suddenly feels infinite. Maybe that's why we fly, not to escape life, but to understand it. Every drone flight, every frame, every sunrise is a reminder that beauty doesn't ask for attention. It simply exists, waiting for eyes that can finally see it. So when you watch this, don't just see landscapes and light. See stories. Of time, of creation, of the human spirit still chasing wonder. Because the sky never repeats its beauty twice. It offers it once for those who are truly present. If you felt something in these moments, you're not alone. You're part of the rare few who still look up, who still listen to what the wind is saying. Welcome to beautiful aerials, where every flight is a reminder that life looks different when you rise.